Here we have a power strip surge protector. This is a flat plug design power strip with overload protection, 12 AC outlets, 3 USB, and 1 USB-C port. It has an extension cord which has a flat design, and you could mount it to a desk or wall. So this slim power strip with USB provides outlets on 3 sides. So even though it's compact, it has 12 outlets. So with this power strip and the USB port, it provides 3 sides of 12 widely used outlets. The 3 USB ports initially detect and charge the devices at the ideal output like smartphones, tablet cameras, and power banks. The flat extension cord could turn one socket into 12, which could charge up to 15 devices at the same time. The USB-C charging port features 3A max. USB-A charging port features 2.4A max, compatible with most all USB devices. This would be great mounted under a desk as a power strip, which saves you tons of space on your desktop. The low profile flat plug fits easily in tight spaces, and with the unique angle of the plug, you could get into hard to reach outlets like behind the sofa or bed. And you have the protection of the surge protector with overload protection. And the cord is a hefty 5 feet long.